కంపెనీకైనా సరే హెచ్ఆర్ అనే రోల్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఫస్ట్ మనం ఇంటర్వ్యూకెళ్ళిన తర్వాత హెచ్ఆర్ రౌండ్‌కొచ్చేటప్పటికి చాలా ఒక టెన్స్‌లో ఉంటామన్నమాట. సో, ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నారంటే జూనా విష్ అనే ఒక కంపెనీ మొత్తం హెచ్ఆర్‌లందరూ కలిసి సిటీలో ఒక పీపుల్ మీట్ అనే పేరుతో ఇక్కడ అలంకృత రిసార్ట్‌లో ఈరోజు కండక్ట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. అసలు ఈ జూనా విష్ ఏంటి? అండ్ వీళ్ళెందుకు కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు? హెచ్ఆర్‌లందరూ కలిసి అసలు ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయబోతున్నారు? కంపెనీస్‌కి వచ్చే లాభం ఏంటి? మనలాంటి ఎంప్లాయీస్‌కి వచ్చే లాభం ఏంటి? ఇవన్నీ మనతో మాట్లాడడానికి జూనా విష్ ఫౌండర్ కిరణ్ మనతో పాటున్నారు. హాయ్ కిరణ్.
Hi, good afternoon.
Tell me about, I mean, Zunavish, you're telling about the connecting people, right? And here, what it is happening here, especially why you want to conduct a meet through all the HRs here.
Okay, so this is a 2.5 month long journey that we have had. We started with something called a People Premier League, where we invited students from almost 8,000 colleges, BBA and MBA colleges across India. We got about 600 plus students in the first round. Then we had a second round of case study where we shortlisted 150 students. Yesterday, we had about 48 students coming across India, that is about 16 teams. And today, what you're seeing is the finals where there are 6 teams, out of which the 3 winners will be selected. So it's a long 2.5 month journey for us, culminating into a People Power Summit. And if you have seen, we're not calling it an HR conclave, we're rather calling it a People Power Summit. And the reason for calling it People Power Summit is it's all about people. And we wanted to ensure that in future, these future leaders, we're actually empowering the future leaders today. Hence, these students and the best of the corporate world is here. Whether you talk about Mr. Nathan or Nikhil Desai or Debashish or Reena Das, who's who of the people world is actually here. So we wanted students to interact with the people leadership and have great experience and learnings.
So you mean, so you're connecting the HRs and the students at the same platform today? And what is the agenda for all the HRs, what they are going to get here?
So the HRs are getting not only the networking opportunities, which is a regular fallout, the HRs are also getting to meet the students across India. We've got students from XLRI, Jamshedpur, XMI, Bangalore, Christ University, Bangalore, NMIS, Mumbai. We got Symbiosis Nagpur, Symbiosis Hyderabad, which otherwise the HRs will not be able to connect with them on a regular basis. They only go there for campus placements. They're able to see them even perform here. So our whole intention is that the HR gets to see the students. They give them the opportunities for internships, because that's what really we want: skill development, internships, and pre-placement offers from the corporate world.
How many colleges and universities came here especially for this HR people meet?
So right now we have 16 teams across the country who have come here, and now we have top 6 teams that are performing. In that 16 teams, we have 48 students across India who came from various colleges.
What the students are performing, actually what they are doing here right now, I saw some of the students are doing something, what they're exhibiting and what they are going to perform.
Okay, so the students have been given a case study. So they had a case study round. Now the same case study, see, when we gave them a case study round, we gave them a template. We tell them, follow this, follow that. But today they have been left on their own. They can use their creativity, problem solving skills, and innovation to present the solutions to the audience. So today the audience is voting for their cases. So there is a online voting that is happening right now, as you see. So the whole result that will come, 40% weightage is given to the case study that was done earlier, 30% weightage to all the quiz rounds we had yesterday. So the event actually technically started yesterday for the students, and another 30% is today. So total 100%, just to remove the biasness and make it as objective as possible, so that students don't feel that, if they've not done good in one round, they cannot perform well in the other, or they don't have a chance. They have a chance to the last moment, and that's what's happening today.
సో చూసాం కదండి, ఇక్కడ హెచ్ఆర్ మీట్ కాకుండా వీరు హెచ్ఆర్ పీపుల్ మీట్ అంటున్నారు. సో ఈ మీట్ లో ఏంటంటే నార్మల్ హెచ్ఆర్ నెట్వర్కింగ్ మాత్రమే కాకుండా ఇక్కడ స్టూడెంట్స్ ని కూడా కలుపుతున్నారు. ఆల్మోస్ట్ మోర్ దెన్ 16 యూనివర్సిటీస్ పాన్ ఇండియా లెవెల్లో అందరూ రావడం జరిగింది. సో ఇక్కడ ఒక రౌండ్ కూడా జరుగుతుంది, టెక్నికల్ రౌండ్. వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తున్నారు ఏంటని డైరెక్ట్ గా హెచ్ఆర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ని చూడొచ్చు, వాళ్ళకి ఆపర్చునిటీస్ వీళ్ళు ఎక్స్చేంజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అదే ఇక్కడ జరుగుతుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.